Hey everyone, so recently a company called Sandmarc reached out to us to see if we'd like to try out all of their macro lenses for the iPhone. Sandmarc sell a variety of phone lenses such as wide angles, macros and fisheye lenses. The lens is 25mm with a 10 times magnification and we will be using it with the iPhone XS. We've had a few comments asking to do a mobile phone photography video, so this was a great opportunity to show you what kind of photos or videos you can get with a phone.
This is the first lens we've used for a phone, so we're really interested to see how it works. If you're interested in the gear shown in this video, or you'd like to check out some of Sandmarc's other products, then head to the link in the description below.